Hi friends, in this video we will learn about abstraction in Java. Abstraction is a process of hiding method implementation and providing functionality to the end user. Using abstract classes, abstract methods and interfaces, we will achieve abstraction. Basically using abstract classes, we will achieve partial abstraction and interfaces, we will achieve complete abstraction. How we can achieve complete abstraction or partial abstraction? Let's say we have a bikes and we'll have brakes for each bike. If you consider mountain bike will have braking system is a different, and if you consider a sports bike or city bikes, then the braking system will be different. Now this will be taken care by those who manufactures the bike, right? That means what braking system should be applied, who will be taking care? The one who creates or who manufactures the bikes. Now the end user doesn't know about the implementation of that braking system, but what end user know, if we apply a brake it is going to be controlled or stopped, right? This is how the abstraction actually works. So the one who creates know what to implement, but the one who is using, that end user, will know the functionality of it, not the implementation. This is the actual thing about abstraction. Abstraction is a process of hiding method implementation or functionality implementation and providing functionality to the user. Let's take a example. I have a interface braking system. In interfaces we can have abstract methods. Apply brake is the abstract method with return type void. And now Royal Enfield Classic and Royal Enfield Himalaya is implementing that braking system, right? Here implements braking system, and Classic is implementing normal braking functionality because it is a city bike, and Royal Enfield Himalaya, it is a mountain bike, it is implement mountain braking functionality. Now the end user one is taking the Royal Enfield Classic bike and he is applying the brake. Which brake it will apply? It will apply the normal braking functionality because his bike is Royal Enfield Classic. But let's say if some other end user took Royal Enfield Himalaya bike, now he is applying the brake, then what braking system will apply? Mountain braking functionality, right? But the end user doesn't know it is going to apply mountain braking system or it is going to apply normal braking system, but the end user know if end user apply brake it is gonna controlled or stopped. So end user know only functionality. This is called abstraction concept in Java. Do you want to execute it? Let's run it. See, the end user one normal braking functionality applied, but for end user 2 mountain braking functionality applied. This is how we will achieve abstraction in Java. Thanks for watching.